This video will demonstrate purchase return under invoice. Entering data in purchase return automatically update the item and supplier ledger. To record a purchase return, click on Add New Invoice. Select a supplier from the drop-down or add a new supplier if it is not already in the list. Adding a supplier here automatically updates the chart of accounts. Once the supplier is selected, the supplier's current balance is displayed. Enter the supplier's invoice number. This will show up in the supplier ledger report. Select the warehouse from which the items will be returned. Attach relevant documents such as scanned copies of your purchase order, reason of return, and other related documents. Select the items from the drop-down or add one if it does not exist. You can also enter the item barcode so that relevant item details are filled in after selection. Enter quantity, unit, rate, discount percentage, VAT percentage, batch, and expiry. If discount percentage or VAT percentage is not required, it can be switched off from settings under management. For more information, check the setting video. Finally, click Add to add the product to the list below. You can add multiple items to one invoice through the same process for same supplier. Once the product is added, the stock and supplier ledger is updated automatically. Add optional remarks if any. If cash is received on invoice, enter the amount here. But if it is not received at the time of return, a separate entry would be recorded for received cash in Cash Receipt section. Click Save to save the entry. Closing the page or navigating to another invoice without saving will discard the current invoice. An invoice can be cancelled as well. Cancelled invoices remain in record but have no effect on stock or supplier ledger. You can use Previous and Next button to navigate through the invoice. Use the New button to enter a new invoice. The Print button will generate the printout for filing. To edit purchase return entry, click the blue Edit button on left-hand side. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.